Hello friends, today let's try out my yummy comfort food, Palak dal khichdi. So for this, I have soaked rice and dal for 20 minutes and added turmeric powder and ghee and closed the cooker and allowed 3 whistles. Here I have blanched and blended spinach and now I've heated some oil, added cumin seeds and I'm adding some garam masala, whole garam masala which will add to the flavor, some red chillies, stir it, onions, and saute for a minute. Add some ginger chopped fine, garlic generously, green chillies, and here I'm adding carrots and green peas, but it is entirely optional. If you add it, it increases the nutrition value and also makes it look colorful. And here goes some tomatoes, some turmeric powder, coriander powder, salt, just enough for the vegetables, and some kasuri methi. Add a little water and cover and cook. And now let's see our khichdi. It's almost done. Now add the spinach. On a high flame, stir it for 4 minutes. This is a very important step for flavor and aroma. Now add the khichdi and some salt and add a little hot water. Mix well, add ghee and cover and cook on a low flame for a minute. Your khichdi is done. So when are you trying it out?